Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open Google Maps and enable location and microphone permissions in Settings now. Confirm app permission for precise positioning and voice input. Choose your travel mode as driving, walking, or transit depending on your trip. Enter your destination and select the single route labeled as the primary or only way. Tap the route to preview turns and duration before starting navigation. Open the sound settings within Google Maps to set voice language and volume for clear spoken directions. Tap Start to begin voice-guided navigation and listen for turn-by-turn prompts immediately. Confirm Bluetooth or earbuds are connected for clear audio while driving or walking. Turn on Do Not Disturb on your device to silence non-essential alerts during navigation. Keep the phone mounted or in your pocket and rely on spoken directions and lane guidance for each upcoming turn or exit. If you miss a turn, wait briefly. Google Maps will automatically recalculate and announce the new single route. Download an offline area before you travel so voice guidance works without cellular data. Allow background location and notifications so spoken directions continue even when the screen is off. Enable battery saver, but exclude Google Maps from aggressive power limits to maintain active routing. Use Bluetooth for car audio and test speaker volume before departure for audibility. Open navigation settings to change voice, avoid tolls, or enable lane guidance for more precise spoken instructions. Share your
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.